90% of B2B sales teams are ignoring their best leads. They're chasing cold prospects on LinkedIn, while their past customers, people who already bought from them once, are switching companies and buying from their competitors instead. Now, there's one type of lead that converts 3 times faster than cold outreach, costs nothing to acquire, and most teams have no system to even track them. Now, at Wiza, we've been tracking champion moves for B2B sales teams for the past 2 years, and this strategy has generated millions of dollars in pipeline across dozens of high-profile customers. Now, the difference between teams doubling revenue and the teams stuck in cold outreach hell is simple. They're following believers, not chasing strangers. So in this video, we're gonna break this down into 3 parts. The first is what champion tracking actually is and why it matters. Second, we'll go through the data that proves it's 3 times more effective than cold outreach. And then third, I'll show you how Wiza Monitor automates it all completely so you never miss an opportunity. So what is champion tracking and why is it adding millions of dollars in revenue for companies who take it seriously? Well, champion tracking is simply knowing the moment someone who already bought from you changes their job so that you can reconnect with them at their new company before anyone else does. Now, these aren't cold leads. These are believers who have already seen your product deliver results firsthand. They know your value, they trust your team, and they're already pre-sold. So instead of chasing strangers on cold calls or LinkedIn DMs, you're just following champions who already know that you can deliver. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too easy, it's too good to be true. Well, let me show you the data. A Gartner study of 2,000 B2B sales teams found that champions are 3 times more likely to buy from you after switching companies. 3 times, that's massive. And Bain & Company found that just a 5% increase in customer retention can boost profits by 25 to 95%. So think about what that means for your pipeline. A sales rep closes a deal with a company, and then 6 months later, their buyer becomes a VP of sales at another company and immediately brings them in for a demo. No 47-day sales cycles, no cold outreach, no competitive shootout, just instant trust and a fast close. Now, champion tracking does 3 things that cold prospecting could never even touch. Number 1 is you strengthen relationships by staying visible even after the deal closes. You accelerate deals because your champion removes red tape inside their new organization. And then you prevent churn by noticing when someone leaves before it's too late. Now, the teams doubling revenue, they're tracking champions systematically and religiously. But here's what most reps actually do and why it doesn't work. Most reps check LinkedIn once a week, maybe a few times a week. They scroll for 20 minutes, they find nothing new, then they go back to cold calling. It's a total waste. And those LinkedIn alerts, well, they're delayed and you'll miss half of them anyways. And if you have a small amount, like maybe 50 accounts or less, maybe you're trying to keep up manually. But what happens when you have 500? Well, at that scale, you're probably gonna spend more time scrolling than selling. You know, one rep forgets to update a contact in the CRM, another duplicates an entry, your systems turn into absolute chaos. But this is the killer mistake that tanks results for 90% of teams, and that's simply timing. And by then, your champion has already been contacted by 3 competitors, and one of them is already in their pipeline. Now, the analogy I like to use here is that you're sitting on gold, but without automation, you'll never dig it up fast enough to actually reap the rewards. So how do elite teams actually do this? Well, let me show you. Most of them use Wiza Monitor to automate everything. Wiza Monitor tracks LinkedIn 24/7. When a champion moves jobs, you get a Slack ping in minutes. Then you can reach out the same day. That's it. It's that simple. So here's what actually happens behind the scenes. Wiza detects job changes instantly across LinkedIn and other sources. The moment your champion updates their profile, you get a notification immediately. You're not finding out weeks later or digging through LinkedIn alerts. You're reaching out within hours of the actual change, well before your competitors even see the notification. And here's what honestly shocked me when we realized the data. New VPs spend an average of $180,000 in their first 100 days at their new job. Now, that's like 70% of their annual budget. Now, if you get in there early, you own that revenue. But if you come a little bit too late, then you're going to be fighting for scraps. Now, the other great thing with Wiza Monitor is all of these updates sync with your CRM automatically. Whether you're using Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, or something else, you'll make sure that you don't have any more stale CRM data and no more manual entry. All of those job updates and their contact information gets updated immediately in their CRM record. Now, the setup for all this takes less than 10 minutes. It's super simple, but there is just one critical step that most teams get wrong that just tanks their entire strategy. So I walk through the entire setup process step by step in this video right here. It's a full Wiza Monitor demo and a walkthrough showing you how it works and how to set it up in under 10 minutes. So you can click right here to watch that now, or if you don't see it on screen, go down to the link in the description below and have a magical day. I'll see you in that next video.